once again.
Hey JL fam, I am doing a vlog slash cooking vlog, or I could have just said cooking vlog, either or. So I'm gonna start by doing our cooking. So I've already had this chicken marinating and my seasonings, and Bay is going to eat some steak, and he may eat a chicken, he may not. But today's menu is, hold on guys. So today's menu is, I'm gonna make 2 different types of scalloped potatoes in one. We're gonna make some, yeah. And then here's the steak. And then the chicken. I already have the oven preheating to 450. And I'm going to start off by actually prepping these. So I'm just gonna, you know, follow the regular old instructions, directions, or whatever. So let me get the stuff for this, and then I will continue. I'm just putting the water in here, and it calls for boiling water, so I'm gonna go ahead and boil it. One calls for 2 cups, and the other one is a cup and 3/4. Oh, let me go. Cups and 3/4. And I got that in the pot. I'm gonna let that boil. Let that boil some. And I'm gonna actually cut that on high so I can go ahead and already get that boiling. I'm gonna cook the steak and chicken on here. I'm gonna cook the chicken first just because I have more of it. And like I said, this is not any type of marinating seasoning. It's just all of my seasonings all in one, and I had some water in it so it can sit in there for a couple of hours. And my steak, same deal. If you want to know what seasonings I put in here, leave a comment down below, and I will actually do another video on that. I am just getting dinner ready. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to get some butter. We're going to get some milk. And buttermilk. And that's it. So let me get that stuff and I'll be right back. Alright, so the water is beginning to boil just a little bit. And what I'm going to do, I am going to add in... let me turn the camera around. I'm going to add in a little bit of salt. Just a tad bit, guys. Just so the potatoes won't be too bland. Because, you know, potatoes, if they don't have a little bit of salt, they're a little So, just a little bit. That's it. Not too much. Yeah. Let's go. Alright. I'm going to let that boil for a little bit longer. And in the meantime, let's listen to the kids.
I'm cold.
Say what up. Say hey JL fam.
Hey, JL fam.
Say hey JL fam.
Hey, JL fam.
Alright guys, I'll be right back when I get to the next step. Alright, so I don't have a casserole dish, but this pan will do. Hey, doesn't look like a whole bunch at all. Alright, let me get this spoon. I'm making a mess. Alright. So the water is boiling now. And I'm just, like I said, I'm just going to follow the instructions. Ooh, it's hot. And just pour it right in there. And be careful, guys, because this is really, really hot. Let me cut this down. Alright. So here is a 1/2 cup that it called for. Put that in there. And then another 3/4. Alright, another 3/4 right there. Put that in the spoon. Ouch. So Here's the butter. It's 2 tablespoons of butter. And let me mix that in there. And this is gonna go in the oven, guys. This is not stove top.
Good.
Smells good?
Yeah.
Let me get that. Actually, I'm gonna put this on the stove. Oh shoot. Oh yeah, I almost seen an accident happen. I'm gonna put this and let it like put it on there for a little bit. Alright, let me open up the packets and then give me the first packet. I'm just gonna dump them both in there. And they both are supposed to stay in the oven for 25 minutes, so we're gonna do a little bit longer, of course, because double the amount of time. Look at that. Yeah. This looks good. Trying to wait until that butter melts before I put it in the oven. And you know me, guys, I like to add a little bit extra stuff. I'm gonna add just a little bit of onion in my potatoes, just because I want to. You don't have to do this. You can follow the directions on the box, and that is it. And I'm also gonna add in some black pepper. So here's the black pepper. Go ahead and open that. Switch hands. Yeah. That's to bring out the flavor of the potatoes. Alright guys, I am about to do this chicken first, and I'm gonna do the steak last. So this is my organic blend oil. It has just coconut, avocado, and stuff. Hey guys, stop! Anybody want some kids? But I'm gonna drizzle this on here. Just drizzle. Again, that. Alright guys, let's get into the chicken. And look at that. Oh, let me make a mess. So I'm gonna put it down here first. Yes, that sizzle. And sorry guys if I sound so pathetic right now. I'm so sick. My nose is stopped up. Yeah, look at that. And I'm not gonna cover these. I'm just gonna let them cook on the griddle. Yeah. Again, guys, if you want to know what I season it with to marinate it, let me know down below, and I will actually go over that with you guys. So I'm actually going to take some of this juice and, you know, just sprinkle it on top. Just to use all what I have. And I'm about to clean that mess up that I just made. This mess up. I hate having a mess. Alright, as you can see, guys, yes, let that sizzle on there. Let me cut it up a little bit because this pan is small. I mean, this pan is big for this eye, so make sure everything's evenly cooking. Alright, so I'm gonna let that cook on there, and then we'll be back when it's time to flip it. Go, 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 go. Hey, get it, get it, get it, get it. Woo, 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 woo. Music video, music video. Woo. All right, that's enough, y'all. See that, guys? You see how the meat is turning white and it's less pink? That means that it is mostly cooked. Actually, it is cooked on the other side, but it's mostly cooked in total.
That's yummy.
Look at that. Yes, guys, you have to watch this in HD in order to see what I see. Alright. Hold on, guys. Well, now I am actually going to flip them. Let's flip this one. Yes, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Guys. I can say, Yes, look at that. I wish you guys could smell it. And I will tell you this, guys. This doesn't have a whole bunch of salt. Because I don't do salt. I do salt in my food, but I don't do what everybody else do. I don't put a whole bunch in there just because it's not good for my health. So, I use alternatives. But believe me, it does have flavor. As you can see, that has plenty of flavor. But again, if you want to know what I put in there, just let me know down below and I'll, do a little video over it. Just a little smaller video. They want to dance, guys. Go, get it, get it, get it, get it. Uh-oh. Alright. That's cooking, guys. Yes, look at that. And we'll be back. Alright, guys. So, yes. Let that focus. OMG, guys. I wish you could smell it. Alright. I'm just going to put them on this plate right here. And then I'm going to rinse the pan out. And then I'm going to, let that one sit on there a little bit longer. A thicker piece. Yes. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Okay, look, this comes right off, so I'm not worried about the burns. It's a really good pan. No, get that off my chicken. Alright, if you hear kids in the background, guys, because they're just playing it. No, get off my chicken. Alright. I just want to, oh shoot, look at me. Messing up. Whatever, it's still gonna be good though. Look at that. Yes. Alright, let me rinse this pan out and I'll be right back, guys. So the pan is heated back up and I did clean it. I just rinsed it off. Now I'm back to the oil. And again, this is just this blend. It's nothing too fancy or anything like that. And I'm gonna distribute that out through all of the pan, even though the steak is just gonna go right in the middle. And it's good to have the steak at room temperature so all the juices and everything, seasonings can be incorporated. Smell that, you guys. Smell that. Alright. Alright, so the pan is hot, and like I said, I cooked this last because it doesn't take that long for steak to cook. Oh yeah, you hear that? It's a done deal when you hear that. So I'm actually just going to let y'all watch me cook it, and I'm not going to move it, but look at all that. Just let me show y'all this. Oh no. Yeah, look at that. And Chaz likes medium well, so we're gonna cook it as best as I know how to make it medium well. But, yeah. So I'm not a chef by all means, so yeah, don't judge it. Let's see what the kids doing while that's cooking. What are y'all doing, kiddos? Hey guys. Hi guys. Say my name is Chaslin.
Jackson.
She's 2. Say, my name is Tristan.
My name is Tristan. Daddy's sleeping.
Daddy's sleeping? Yeah, Daddy said he's gonna take a nap. Yeah, Daddy's back there. So y'all get away from the door. I don't know why they like being by that door when he's asleep, but I think that's just the kids thing, so yeah.
And guys, today get Mickey Mouse.
You get Mickey Mouse today?
I use banana.
We got Mickey Mouse bananas. Just talking about this, guys. So
Mickey Mouse.
we got some Mickey Mouse bananas.
Yeah.
It has Mickey Mouse on it. They can't eat it yet 'cause it's not ripe. It's not ripened.
And guys, Mom see it. And guys.
She is a character. So, alright. We're about to flip the steak. Let's flip that steak. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. It is time to take it off, and I'm gonna put it on the same plate as the chicken. But yes, look at that. Look at that steak. Yes. So I'm just gonna put it on there, and we are done with that. Let's check that. Ooh, it's hot. So yeah, that's almost done. Messing up. I cut the phone off and everything. But as soon as the scalloped potatoes are done, then dinner will be served. I'm just gonna make some, like I always do, just some regular vegetables. I'm actually gonna make, where they at? Just make some of these because I love vegetables. I can eat this whole bag for dinner, really. I'm just gonna pop those in the microwave right now. Put these on for 4 minutes. And once everything is done, as in the scalloped potatoes, I will come back so you guys can see the finished product on that. Alright guys, I took this out of the oven and voila. So I'm gonna sprinkle this. These are just French onions, or crispy onions, or whatever you want to call them. Yeah, that's gonna be good. Alright, and this is just, I tried to mix it, but it didn't work out, so this is just bacon bits and some of the French onions, the crispy onions or whatever. Alright guys, this is Chaz's plate, of course, the steak. Yeah, let me focus in. I wanted to show the rolls, but they're taking too long, so I'm just going to show y'all the finished product. But y'all see the rolls, they're done, almost. I just wanted to hurry up and get this done. But yes, guys, this is the finished product of everything. Here's the chicken. I didn't make my plate yet. And the mixed veggies, nothing biggie, but alright guys. If you made it this far in the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more cooking vlogs, if you want me to cook something, let me know. And even if I don't know how to cook it, I'll find out how to cook it and we can be cooking together, guys. But, alright, if you're new to this channel, thank you for joining the JL family. Also, don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And that is all for today, I guess. So, say bye, kids.
Bye, kids.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
bye.
Bye.
All right, guys. Peace.